Hi, dear friends and cultural creators, Bruce Lipton here. I'm the author of the best-selling books, The Biology of Belief, Spontaneous Evolution, and The Honeymoon Effect. Well, I probably don't have to tell you this if you've been watching TV, reading the newspaper, going online, or even looking out your window. The world is in a state of upheaval. Crises are all over the planet. Crises based on economics, politics, religion, race are upsetting the nature of civilization as we have known it. Well, this is not an accident. Actually, this is right on time. On time? Yes, we're facing an evolutionary upheaval. The significance is profound. Science has recognized that human behavior is precipitating the sixth mass extinction of life on this planet. 5 times in the history of this planet, life was thriving and some event wiped out from 70 to 95% of all life. The last time this happened, 66 million years ago, a comet hit the planet, upended the ecosystem, and the dinosaurs disappeared forever. Well, guess what? We are now in the sixth mass extinction. Human behavior is causing this. The way out is to change behavior. But to understand that, we need to understand that you are not a victim of your genes, not a victim of the world. As quantum physics emphasizes, consciousness is creating our life experiences. When I show up on September 27th in Copenhagen on Friday night, I'm going to provide a presentation to inform you of why this upheaval is occurring, the future of our evolution, and more importantly, how powerful you are in creating the character of the life you want. As quantum physics, the most valid science on this planet, acknowledges, consciousness is creating our life experiences. Well, my presentation will go deep into the nature of consciousness and how our mind controls our genes, controls the behavior that we have and the life that we express. And when you understand that you've been programmed and it's time for us to get out of this program to recognize how truly powerful you are, this is the opportunity to take charge of your life. And so what we need to understand is this. A, you are not a victim of your heredity because epigenetics, the new science, reveals that you are controlling your genetic and behavioral activity. And more so, we want to understand a very important fact. There's more to us in this physical body, that there's a field of energy with our identity, which is also recognized as a spirit. And if you recognize how powerful you really are and that you are more than this physical body, you will have the opportunity to take charge of your life and create the wishes and desires and aspirations that you seek. So I look forward to seeing you Friday, September 27th. Please, this is an opportunity to take charge of your life.